In this video, we will be formatting a floating point number to 2 decimal places using the format method. So I'm going to start off by declaring a variable called value and assigning to it a floating point number 123.456.789. I'm then going to declare another variable called formatted value. Now this variable will hold the formatted value, so I'm going to assign it. The work that we'll do here is what will format this value for us. So we'll start off by creating a string, and then within the string, I'm going to have placeholder. Now this opening and closing curly braces is going to be a placeholder where the formatted value will be inserted. After the curly braces, after the starting curly brace, I'm going to add a colon. Now the colon over here, basically I'm signaling that I'm providing formatting instructions. After that, I can then give any formatting specifications, like how many decimal places or alignment or any other formatting details. So what I want is a decimal. So I would want to deal with decimal numbers, and then 2F, 2 for 2 decimal places, and F stands for float, which is a floating point number. Then I'm going to call the format method and pass the value to it. So basically, the format is a method of the string class. So it's called on string objects. That's why we've put these in as double quotation. Okay, so let's see what this will give us. And then I'm going to print the value of the formatted value. So let's see what we get. I'm going to run the program. And we get this value 123.46. So I'm going to add this as a comment here. Output is 123.46. So it reads around that number and display it to 2 decimal places. So what really happened, 2F specifies 2 decimal places. The number's displayed around it to 2 decimal places, but the original number remains unchanged. So nothing really, this value has not changed. If I actually print value, we will notice that it should still be the whole number. So that's what's happening here. Now, if I were to change that number to, instead of 6, make it 1, you'll see that it will be 123.45. So that actually remains as 5 because it's a smaller number. But I'm going to undo and just bring it back to what it was like before. So yeah, I hope you do get to play around with the format method, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.